In real world, we never have perfect data. We always need to clean the data before we analyze it. Look at this data set. Country is missing, price is missing, and the whole row 7 is missing. AAN, not a number. That means the value is missing. There are two approaches to do this. First approach is to drop those missing values, and second approach is to fill it with a different value. How do we drop all the missing values? We can do DF, drop NA. You can see row 2, 4, and 7 are dropped. But if we check back to our DF, we still have row 2, 4, and 7. If you want to change the original data frame, we need to do DF, drop NA, in place, equal to true. Now we check DF, row 2, 4, and 7 are dropped from the original data frame. And sometimes we don't want to be so strict. I only want to drop the row when everything is missing. If for this row there's only one value is missing, I don't want to drop it. Okay, let's load our original data frame. And this time, I only want to drop row 7 where everything is missing. DF, drop NA, how equal to all. Only when all the values are missing, I'm going to drop it. DF, row 2 and 4 are still here when there's only one value missing. Now we are going to use the second approach for these two rows to fill it with a different value. Row 2, the country is missing. It's very hard to put a default value for a country. Instead, I'll put it as not available. So DF, fill NA, fill the missing values, and I want to fill the country column. When the value is missing, I will replace it with not available. And remember to put in place equal to true. Check DF. Row 2, the country become not available. Now how about the price? When the missing value is a number, you can replace it with different numbers based on the situation. Easier way is I just fill a missing number with 0. DF, fill NA. If the price column is missing, I'm going to fill it with 0 value. In place equal to true. This is one way to do it, but think about it. It doesn't make much sense to fill price with a 0 value. Instead, I want to look at if there is a missing value, which product is this for? I can get the average price for this product. That makes much more sense. First, let's get all the rows where the price value is missing. So DF, price is NA. So this means if the price column is NA, give me those rows. And we can see that only one row that the price is missing, and this is for product laptop. Our next step is to replace this value with the average price of all laptop transactions. So DF, fill NA. If the price is missing, I'm going to fill it with the average price of all the laptop products. So DF, let's do a selection first. DF, product, equal to laptop. This part will give us all the rows when the product is a laptop. Let's get all their price information and get the average of the price. After that, remember to put in place equal to true. Let's check the DF information. You can see in row 4, the price is replaced by 1,000 because all the other laptop transactions, the price is 1,000. So the average is also 1,000. So this is the second way to deal with missing values. Happy coding!